Hello and welcome to LaunchEze. My name is John Hooks and I am the creator of LaunchEze. Now, as you know, LaunchEze is about launching quality products on a budget. So to start off with, this is the members area and this is what you will come to when you first log in. Over here to the left is your course menu, and to start off with, you have the welcome video, which you see here, and then you have your overview video, which will take you through basically what to expect through the rest of the course. And then we start with the fun stuff. So starting with day one, we're going to come up with creating an idea for your product, that is. Day number two, we're going to name your product and why you should choose certain names, why it shouldn't be too long, why it shouldn't be too common, and other things about naming your product. Also on day two, if you don't already have a website and you want to get your own website, I teach you where to go and the different sources that are available where you can find domains or websites. And also, similar to naming your product, how to choose a domain name, because for one, it would be nice if somehow your domain name matched your product. Now also with this is an option. You do not have to get your own website, and I show you other options that are available. Day three is creating your course outline, which is very important because you're going to follow your outline when it comes to starting design and all the way through your launch process. You need to have an organized and complete outline to follow. Days 4 to 5 includes a couple of things. One, you're going to start designing, which means creating your logo, and also you're going to start creating your sales page and choosing. Well, actually, you're going to first start choosing your page builder if you're going to use your own website or domain. And what I mean by page builders are items like Elementor or Beaver Builder, Drive Architect, Optimize Press, and even a few other options that you may not even be aware of that work just fine. In addition, on day 4 and 5, you're going to create your logo. Start designing your lessons from your outline. If you're going to have a product like this, and of course there's different types of products and different formats of how you're going to display your product. Okay, and so day number 6. You're going to choose your launch date, and you're also going to establish a price for your product, and we're going to discuss why you should offer certain commissions to your affiliates, and what the actual purpose, especially if this is your first launch, what the actual purpose of your launch is. We're going to go through listing your product on LaunchEze so that affiliates can find it, and then on day 7 and 8, you're going to start designing your sales pages. Okay, and so sales pages is your actual sales page for your product, but it is also your JV page that you're going to create for your JVs. Your JV doc page, which is just pertinent information that's for your JVs. You're going to create your sales video, and then decide if your pages are going to have videos or not. Okay, day 9 and 10, you're going to create your upsell pages, otherwise known as your OTOs. Now, this is highly recommended. You do not have to have 7, upsells, because we have seen those, but to start off with, you want to try to have at least a couple of upsells, and I explain the reason why you want to have those. Okay, day 11, creating your JV and doc pages. Now, we had talked about this in day 7 and 8. But basically, this is going to be completing your sales page, completing your JV doc, and updating your JV page, we're going to talk about should you offer, a contest, and why or why not. All right. And also thinking about putting your video on your JV page and why that is important. Okay. Day 12, we're going to look at listing your product on Warrior Plus. So here we're going to set up each product that you're going to have. So that means your main product plus your individual upsell products. You're going to create listings for each of those. And then you're going to go to different areas on your Warrior Plus page, like your offers area, where you're going to create your funnel, that will take you from your sales page to your OTO1, to your OTO2, and so forth. You're going to set up your payment buttons. You're going to set up your no thank you links for your OTOs. And also you're going to then activate your offer, and then you're going to submit your offer for approval. Now on day 13, you're going to complete your product. Okay, and basically that's putting the final touches on things that that you just didn't have time to do. You've had a chance to look over your pages. You don't like the colors. You don't like the fonts. You're going to go back and change those because you want to make your sales pages, kind of pop out. You want them to, grab attention. And so you're going to make sure also that you go back into your offer and make sure that you chose visibility, for the marketplace. And we're also going to talk about viewing and approving affiliate offers, what to look for, what to be wary of. You're also going to then get your vendor link, because by now your offer has been approved on Warrior Plus, and so now you're able to create a vendor link so you can go and put on your JV page and on your JV doc so that your affiliates will be able to apply to promote your product. And we're also going to talk about creating a welcome email for your JVs and a welcome email for your buyers during this day 13 process also. Okay, so days 14 through 16 is getting affiliates to promote. Now, of course, up here, your affiliates that find your product on LaunchEze are going to be, soliciting your approval to promote your product. But you also want to go after affiliates too, and I explain why you want to do that and how to do that. Days 17 through 20, marketing and fine tuning. And so basically, we're going to go over marketing strategies that you are going to do yourself. And that also includes free marketing strategies as well as paid marketing strategies. And day 21 here is 3, 2, 1, lift off. All right, this is launch day. Okay, and so we are going to talk about your launch, what to expect, and then what are the next steps. All right, and then we're going to end up with a conclusion video, and then you'll have your section where you can get your bonuses, where you can get your upgrades if you passed on those at the beginning, and also different resources that we discussed throughout the course. You'll find those here, and you also may find those on your actual video pages. Now, this course has close to 5 hours of video, 5 hours of over-the-shoulder, step-by-step video. And so, most of these modules have, maybe just one video. Some of them have a couple of videos, and some have even more than that. I believe it's supposed to have about 5 different videos. Okay, maybe it's day 12 here. So there is a lot of content. All right, a lot of good information. And so you are going to enjoy this course. I hope you are, because I'm looking forward to you being successful. So there you go. There you have it. Again, thank you for watching this walkthrough and demo video. And as always, to your success.